We are now in Venice Canal. See? Challenge. Ah, galing. You know.
Video yan. Saan ka? Lumaki.
That's a human drone. See? Human drone. Yeah. Yeah.
See?
Pati yung ano, oh. Human drone. See? Here we are in Venice.
Where are you?
Hindi, video kayo. Under the bridge na tayo.
Italy, you need to go to Italy, Ralph, to experience the real lake. Ito na po tindayo.
Human drone.
Sige, ato ba?
Maka mo, human drone.
Dili ko
I'm
ba?
in Venice, Italy. Okay? Hello. I'm you.
Yay!
Oh boy.
Ganun talaga, Inday.
And this.
Naglo-load siya eh.
Batang Tagal.
Hintayin mo mag-download.
Ayan o. Ay, ito Teo, maganda. Ang ganda. Guwapa kay Kadrita. You're girl.
Mapapicture pa tayo dyan.
And yeah, she's in Venice, Italy, in Europe. Can you imagine? She's in Europe. See, and Doña Stella.
We're in Italy.
Sila ay. Look at that. Continue.
Asa man? Ha?
Oh.
Oh. Unsam ni ilang mga pangalan. Pangragod ka diha.
Sige, photo. Ako si Donya. Dali, uy!
Wala sila nila host. So, ari na sad mi diri. Gimahalan. Hoy, lingi sa mo mga window shoppers. May kwarta. Wala ko rin sa kwarta. Tingin lang. Nagwaki. Mabalik na kami. Oh, under the bridge.
Wala di ka nagwaki ah.
Under the
Who's got my phone?
bridge. Ah, iyan po. Gibuyag here.
Aga.
Ha?
Ha? Okay, videohan tama ba?
Mga ano lang, 5 minutes. 5 minutes, 5 seconds. Sa mama. Nib. Picture na, video. Baby.
Venice Grand Canal.
Palit ka na?
What do you want? I mean, you want that one?
I'm here. Ha? Hala, there's si Genevieve o si Lisa o nakagwantang. Shopping jud ko na sila sa Converse. See? Or maybe window shopping. Window shopping lang mo or really wants to shop?